Hello friends, Walt Schultz here with the Schultz team. I wanted to reach out to you as I get many questions from clients on a day-to-day basis as to, is our loan done? What could any common hangups be? And really the do's and don'ts of the loan process. So let me explain that to you with a story real quick. So I had a friend of mine that was at the closing table, and at the closing table, his client told him, "Whew, I'm so glad that this is done. I just quit my job." And my friend then, after he picked himself up off the floor, then asked his client, "You just quit your job, so can you get it back?" And the client said, "The way that I left, there's really no chance of me getting my job back. I'm now self-employed." And so he said, "But the loan is done, right?" And my friend had to tell him, "No, it's not done." So when you're at the closing table, your loan still is not done. And it's really not done until we let you know that the loan has funded. Once the loan has funded, then the loan is done at that point. So there are credit checks, there's employment checks after you've signed. Don't quit your job and go off and be a ninja at the very end of the loan process. So common hangups, let me just run through those real quick. So large deposits, new credit inquiries, gift funds requiring donor accounts, cash deposits, money moving different accounts, down payment, timing of documents received, and the urgency. So those are really a lot of the common hang-ups. If you have money that you're transferring back and forth between accounts, we have to source and season those funds. We need to track those funds, and that can be kind of a pain and create more paperwork. Cash deposits also create more paperwork. If we can do the loan, sometimes we have to pause and wait. The big thing is really urgency. And urgency is, as soon as we ask for something, please get it to us. A few do's and don'ts. And really the do's are quite simple. Keep your job. Don't switch employers. Keep making your payments. Don't go out and buy a bunch of new furniture or a new car right before your loan funds. And do make your payments on time. As long as you do those things, you're really going to be golden. Here's just a few additional don'ts. Don't call the realtor on the yard sign of a house that you want to see. So call your realtor. The realtor that you're calling on the yard sign works for the seller. You want your realtor that works for you. Don't keep mattress money, so that would be any large deposits. If you have mattress money, if you have money in a safe, that's awesome. Please let us know, and we'll need to track those funds. Don't hesitate to ask questions during the loan process. We want to make sure that all your questions are answered, no matter how small or how big they may be. Don't believe values on Zillow. So Zillow values are not correct. Either ask your agent or myself. We've got a system that we can check a lot of values. But the big thing is going to be ask your agent. They're really going to know what the value is. They're an expert in that area. Don't go to new build communities and speak to that realtor. Bring your realtor. So there's a lot of newer home communities with D.R. Horton or Hayden Homes or whatnot, where there's 50, 100 homes being built. Bring your agent out there. And also, don't pay collections right away. If you do that, that account could count as a brand new account. We will counsel you on what to do with your collections. So if you found value in this, which I hope that you have, please share it with others. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.